In this space, I'm going to refresh a few more containers. These have overwintered and they're blooming great. So I'm going to actually put them out in my garden, and I'm going to change up what I'm putting in here. This right here is an evergreen arborvitae, and it will do well. I think I have at least another year. I'm going to give it a shot and see how it does. What I'm planning on putting in here, now I know that you're supposed to do thriller, filler, or spiller, but I get what my garden center has, and this is some salvia. It will grow straight up as well. But I'm going to put them in the back so that they right in front of this siding. It should look pretty, and it'll give a little bit more color to the twice greenery. I'm also going to use some begonias in the front and see how they bush out. I don't feel like I have a lot of room since I do not have this on a pedestal to do a spiller. Maybe some year. You can go to the garden center. You can go get a flat for $21, or you can get each one of these smaller root bases, 3 for $2.09. That's what I got. They fit into your little areas, and then you can match a whole bunch of stuff on your deck. And as a group, they look like one plant. Okay, doing the next one just like this. As you see, you can center your root mass to go this way, and this side I did it this way just to fit in this tight space. So they're not a bad purchase to get tiny little plants for inexpensive. And then my begonias, they'll flush out. They just were in the container for a little bit too long. Otherwise, I'm going to do the next one. Put your little pet bedding on top, water it in, and we'll look at them when they're done. Watered in, everything looks so fresh and new. It's little, but it will bloom as soon as it becomes warm outside. Let's take a look. All right, here is, over here you'll see my terracotta watering. He has been through the weather, but in the back you can see those tiny little plants, tiny little salvias and the tiny little begonias. They're going to look so good. And with a matching planter on this side. Doing the same things, begonias in the front and our salvia in the back. They will flush out real nice. And again, my terracotta watering. It is very hot up here on the deck. Hopefully, all of your spring planters are doing well. Follow for more.